Hello there. In the second part, you will learn about object and subject color. First of all, I apologize for my mistakes that I forgot to start my video at the beginning. That's why you are watching my work that the green portion almost done. I'm sorry about that. I have applied gradient green first in background. As a color pigment quality, if the pigment quality is low, you may apply color twice on same place. The color I am using, this one also from Artex brand, and this one have 9 shades. You will get basic colors from this package. Apply black color on both and use gray color for shading. Also you can use directly white when black color is still raw, so when you use white it will take its own place. Also apply Prussian blue and light blue on left side figure and yellow color on lungi of right side figure. If you don't have any idea about lungi, you can search it on Google. This is a Burmese word. Asia Pacific peoples used to wear this. In this Artex color, I can see that this color have no disturbing smell and it will not dry out quickly. That's why it will give you a proper backup when you color on your subject. Use grey color on the river side and grey olive green on river. The color will modify later. Use dark blue green on background and for fine look use grass green on dark blue green. In gouache method, you can easily convert your work from dark to light and light to dark. But I will suggest you to go with dark to light. It will give you proper output, but you must be careful about this process that don't use much water. Most of you don't know how much water you must use when you mix color. If you apply much water, it will move your color what already applied on surface. So careful about this. If you didn't saw my previous video of watercolor, must watch them. I have provided how you can make different color and the ratio of color. Those video will help you about the basic of color. Now apply Kashful in background. If you don't know about Kashful, it's called catkin in English. You can search it on Google. You can find these kinds of flowers in Asia Pacific area, especially in Bangladesh and India. And these kinds of flowers actually you can see besides the rivers. So for this, use white color and also use your suitable brushes. Don't put too much details now because on my next part you can see more details. Okay, you can see a little thin lines under those catkins. So for this, use white with olive green. So it will help you to create this line kinds of bright line on a dark portion. Okay, and this also give you a more depth into your work. There is a little tips for you that when you start color, always try to use different brushes. Don't use single brush for multiple color. This practice provides you a basic knowledge of different sizes brushes. Also, it will provide you to control your brush in extreme situation. See you soon with my next part. Till then, take care. Bye bye.